Hello and welcome back to the another video of Python 2020 channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about one of the most popular AI and ML platform that is being popular day by day. I hope you already guessed the name, and yes, we are going to talk about ChatGPT today. So what is ChatGPT? So let me try to connect with some of the examples. You must have experienced this, that whenever you go to some of the service providers application or some of the service providers website for customer service or for subscribe something new, you might have noticed there is a chat bot available there. So chat bot is something which will take the input from you, and then it will prompt some more options, and then again you have to choose the input from there. Again you will get some more options. Let me give you an example. Let's say if you want to open a new account, so you will write new account, and then you will have more options coming in from the chatbot. Which type of account? Please select one. You will select one, and then you will have options. Please provide this and this detail. And let's say if you have not provided you have provided the country name USA, but the mobile format that you have provided is not as per the format of US mobile numbers. So you will get the prompt, please provide correct mobile number. So how this everything is happening? Because this bot is trained by number of data, number of validations, and many other techniques are used to create these kind of AI and ML bots. Similar way, ChatGPT also is a AI-enabled platform, but the difference is this is developed using massive data, and a big team is working on this to improve the output and to accept variety of inputs from the users. And there are multiple ML and AI techniques are applied to this chatbot. So let's see how can you use ChatGPT now. To use ChatGPT, first of all, you have to go on OpenAI website. All right, so let's go to openai.com. First of all, let's go to the product, and you can see these are few products. And from here, right now, we are talking about ChatGPT. So let's click on ChatGPT. Login or sign up. You can sign up. I have already signed up, so I will be directly going to the page. You will have this window open, and from here, you can just use this. All right. You can write any question, do the experiment. And if you are a developer, you want to use ChatGPT into your solutions or on your scripts, what you have to do, you have to come to the developers tab, go to the API reference, and you will find all the documents here. And these code examples and the documentation will help you to start with ChatGPT in your programs or in on your scripts. Now next is that if you want to use the API from where you can get the ChatGPT API. So to get the ChatGPT API, you have to come on this page. You can just note this link from here. I will mention the link in description as well. Come to personal, view API keys. You will have here. The moment you will click on view API keys, you will come on this screen. From this, you can just create a new secret key. All right, and you can copy the key from here and you can use into your solutions. So we understood like how can we use the ChatGPT directly from OpenAI website, and how can we start using ChatGPT in our scripts. And we are going to see many examples in few of the upcoming videos using Python. I will be using many services of OpenAI and ChatGPT. So subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Share your feedback in comments. And as a next step, let's understand what all ChatGPT can do. So generating the text. So how can it generate the text? I will go back to ChatGPT window and ChatGPT. All right, let me write. So it will give you the entire data, and this data is coming from multiple sources which ChatGPT is connected with. Or let's say we can see one more example using this chat GPT platform. What is black hole? All right, so this was the example of generating text for any topic. Now let's talk about the translation of chat GPT. So I will just try to convert something from the Hindi language to English language. I just have to write. This is the very simple way, but more sophisticated way of using these things we can see when we will start programming, when we will start using the chat GPT in our scripts. The next thing is like chatting. So general chatting, we have just seen if you will say hi, how are you, you are going to see some response from chat GPT. I would let you do that. And then sentiment analysis. If you are just putting some sentence and you are asking what kind of sentiment is this, chat GPT is going to give you some of the answer. All right, let's try this one. I am using the English because this video language is English. You can try in your own language and you can see some response because ChatGPT works almost in all the popular languages of the world. All right. So next is summarization. So how can you use the summarization? So I will just type a phrase here and then just try to see one word for it. So here is the text that I have just pasted from somewhere, and I will just add one thing, one word. All right, so this is how you can get the single word or the smallest sentence for a big summary of text using ChatGPT. And the last one is text completion. So as you can see, we can use the next word or few phrases. As you have noticed, I have just mentioned to Goa, and then you can see the driver is not going to Goa today. So this correct or not correct that you might have to analyze, but the ChatGPT can help you to complete the sentences if there is any word missing or there is something missing. Right, wait off. I will come to meet. These kind of words and this kind of work and task you can right away start using ChatGPT. We are going to see many more examples and many more services in our upcoming videos. So these are few services of OpenAI. ChatGPT is one of the service provided by OpenAI. So if you want to see more services, what you can do is you can go to this link. So here you will see a long service. So these are the all services which are being provided, and it is going to be very interesting when we will see all of these in our code, how to use in the code. That's what I am going to cover in few of the videos. So stay connected and let's learn more and more about ChatGPT and the AI services that can be used by ChatGPT. For today, that's all. Thank you very much for your time. Happy learnings.